Hello! In front of me I have ZTE Watch Live, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your watch on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your blood oxygen levels, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the watch, but because of that, my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first thing you want to do is to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the menu. Once you open the menu, you will see option called SpO2. Tap on this icon to open the blood oxygen widget. And here we have the widget itself. As you can see, we have the measure button. So if you want to start the measurement, I'm gonna put the finger, but of course put your watch on your wrist, and then you can tap on measure, and let's wait for the results. It might take a couple of seconds. Try to stay still, not to move around too much while you're measuring, and here we have our result. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back. You will see the progression bar right here on the graph of the blood oxygen levels. You can tap on measure button again to measure it again, or you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you measure the blood oxygen levels on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.